Hey, what's up, bulls? I make this quick video because I have some very cool updates to announce. So we have updated our utilities and our roadmap. So each time there's going to be a change, I'm going to let you know, I'm going to explain why we add something and what is going to bring to holders. So this is still the same, the story. Once again, guys, go watch the first video. We are here to develop the crypto space, use our skills. We are ex-traders. We have experience in programming, in developing, in trading, and we're going to use all of that to improve the crypto space and to bring value to you guys, to our holders. So what is different compared to our first utility, our first program roadmap? So we still create a treasury fund and a DAO so that you guys decide what we do with the funds. But we have added a staking platform. So the staking platform is going to arrive very quickly. I didn't want to announce it too soon because we were not sure that we're going to be able to do it on time. Now we know, we have run some tests already. So everything that you guys see on the website is going to be delivered on time. And I think that most projects, they talk a lot. They tell you a lot of things. They even don't know how to do that. So it doesn't mean they lie to you because they really think they can do it. But in the end, they realize that they cannot, that it's more difficult than they thought. We run some tests and we know that the staking platform is good for us to implement. So why is that good for you guys? This staking platform is going to allow you to get some coins. By the way, we don't know yet the name that we're going to give to the Crypto Bulls token that is going to be usable in our ecosystem. So please drop a comment if you have some cool ideas. We are right now brainstorming about that with the team. We have some names, but I don't want to tell it. I don't want to say it right now. Try to find something cool and let us know. We're going to announce that very soon. And so this coin is going to be usable in our ecosystem. So what does it mean? You're going to be able with this coin to customize your NFT. So I'm going to explain exactly what customization is going to be possible, but there are going to be two stages of customization. There's a first customization that is going to be not visible. That's going to be, for example, you can give it a name, you can give it a passion, you can give it a fear, you can change the story of your crypto bull to make it more unique, and it's going to impact its staking power. So the higher the staking power, the more tokens you're going to receive whenever you stake it. So it's good to spend some token to increase the value of your crypto bull. You're also going to have some early accesses, of course, for our second mint, third mint, new collections, events that we're going to create. Once again, we want to, pass our knowledge about developing, programming, trading, crypto arbitrage, by creating an institute. So of course, we're going to have some access to this institute. We're going to organize some conferences worldwide. We have a strong network of very experienced people that work in the crypto space, that work in trading, that work, in different industries that are very interesting. And of course, you're going to be invited to those events with your token. You're also going to have some long-term project governance, which means that you're going to be able to use your tokens to vote. The more tokens you spend, the more impact you're going to have on the final decision of a vote. So this is a very good utility. And Metaverse, this is new, guys. So this is, of course, going to be a bit later, but I'm going to tell you in the roadmap, we basically plan to buy land in the sandbox and to create some virtual events there for Crypto Bulls. Then this is new as well, the Crypto Bulls farm. So this consists of allocating some of the funds that we receive from the mint proceeds that we receive from the mint to buy back our NFTs at a floor price on the secondary market. For those who don't want to keep the Crypto Bulls anymore, I don't know why, probably not a wise choice, but we're going to be here to buy it back at a floor price. So the floor price is going to be decided by you guys through the DAO. It's going to probably be, around $50 US or maybe 100. So basically something close to the first mint price. By doing that, we're going to ensure price stability, and we're going to make our token, our NFT, more attractive to new joiners. And we believe it's a virtuous process. Okay, so this burning process is a virtuous cycle that limits the supply of crypto bulls. Whenever we buy it back, we burn it. We're going to just send it to a wallet address that is no more used. So this is called burning. Bam, bam, bam. Then play to earn. So we have built a few collections. So sunglasses, jackets, suits, hats, and those who manage to build an entire collection of one of our different categories will be rewarded with some tokens. Once again, help us to find a cool name for the token. And of course, they're going to be able to use it the same way they can use it whenever they receive it, when they stake it. So this is another way to earn some tokens. Then charity donations has not changed, and free access to a Web3 programming and trading institute is still the same thing. We want to pass the knowledge that we have acquired during our careers in banking, or through our experience in the different projects that we are managing. So I think that, and this institute is going to be, of course, free for holders, and we also going to invite some people that I need and that want to learn that as well. And we're going to do some conferences, like I said, worldwide, to just, try to give a good image to our projects and to, help people in need, pass the knowledge. This is very important for us. This is what I'm personally doing already for more than 1 year. I'm having a YouTube channel and I explain what is trading. I've been a trader for a long time. And I think that this is something very good and that each of us should do this. So in the roadmap, what has changed? So basically we have added the new utilities. So the platform is going to be created Q3 2022 after the second mint. So second mint should be between July and September. First mint, by the way, is announced, guys, 18th of June. So make sure those who are early bulls, we still have some spots, but not a lot left. Those who are early bulls, make sure that you drop your wallet address in the form so that we confirm your whitelisting. If we don't have your wallet address, you're not going to be able to mint. So make sure you do that. Come in Discord, we explain all of that. So the platform is going to be created, so you're going to start to receive tokens. So let me quickly explain how this token ecosystem is working. Basically, there is an unlimited supply, let's be honest, because if you stake it, you're going to receive tokens. So if something has an unlimited supply, then its price is doomed to go to zero, a bit like Luna, So that's why we need to create an attractive ecosystem. And we think that what we've done is going to work very well through the NFT customization that, once again, is going to be physical at the end. I'm going to explain that very soon. The early accesses, the long-term project governance, those who want to take choices in what we're going to put our efforts into are going to need to use the tokens, to spend the tokens, to vote. So basically, there is a lot of activities that are going to create demand. So our goal is to create enough demand so that the supply and the demand find an equilibrium. If we manage to do this, it's not going to be easy, but we are very, very confident we can do that. We're going to create a stable ecosystem that is living well, where our token has actually not an economic value, because you cannot exchange it for USD, at least at the beginning. I'm going to discuss that very soon, how maybe it's going to be possible in the long run. But at the beginning, it's not possible. And once we reach this stability, maybe we're going to list it. But once again, this is going to be later. And at the beginning, we want to try to find the stability. But already, if, for example, you customize your NFT and you increase its value and you increase, its staking power, it's going to make your NFT stronger, more powerful, better. And this is going to impact directly its value on the secondary market. So those tokens are not exchangeable for USD, but they do have value in our ecosystem. Okay, it's very important to understand. Then initiation of the Crypto Bulls DAO. First vote through the DAO. This is the same. We're going to start to do crypto-arbitrage. We're going to start to, create the merch and give it to you guys as well, maybe using the token, or maybe not. The token is not exchangeable for the merch. It's important to mention it. New mint. Then here are the very cool things that we have added. So physical. So this is going to be in 2023. Physical customization of your NFT. So let me explain that, guys. This is very, very cool. I didn't see many projects doing that. I have actually seen no project doing that. I'm sure there are, but I didn't see any. So we're going to create some new attributes, some laser, some sword, some helmet, some very cool things. And you guys are going to be able to buy it using your token. So it's not really buy it, but spend your token for that very cool attributes. And your NFT is going to change. They're going to appear on your NFT. So you can customize physically your NFT and build the NFT you really want to have. So this is going to be the next step, but we already know how to do it. We have not done that yet, guys. This takes time, but we know how to do it, and we are very, very sure we can do it. By 2023, we'll have time, let's be honest. So no problem for that. And of course, it's going to impact as well its staking power. Your NFT is going to be stronger. Some attributes are going to change the staking power a lot. We're going to, once again, announce all of that very soon. And we want to create a fully centralized DAO. So what's the difference between a DAO and a fully decentralized DAO? Difference is that holders are able to create votes. In a DAO, in a basic DAO, we're going to create votes. We're going to say, do you guys prefer that or that? And we're going to give you choices about the strategy of what we do with the DAO, where we invest our energy, where we invest our funds. We're going to ask you, you're going to decide. But in a fully decentralized DAO, we are not asking questions. You ask questions. And you can ask any questions you want, such as, should we create a token and list it? You know, this kind of things. So this is much more powerful, and this allows us to do more things. But the process takes time. It's a lot of paperwork. It's costly as well, but we, of course, going to allocate some funds to do that. And I think that if we manage to do that, almost no project is a fully decentralized DAO. I mean, some of them are, but not a lot. And this gives us a lot of possibilities. So 2023, we're going to do that. The physical customization of NFT might happen before the fully decentralized DAO. We're not sure yet. And then once things go really well and that we have proven you guys that we are serious, that we deliver the roadmap, the utilities, that the product is working smoothly, is running smoothly, then we're going to create probably a new collection to invite new joiners. The whitelist are going to be reserved for you guys first, of course. And then our long-term plan. So the Web3 Programming and Trading Institute was there already, and we have added the Metaverse, guys, because let's be honest, this is where we are heading. This is the future. So we want to be part of this adventure. So we're going to allocate some funds to buy land in the sandbox and to organize virtual events for you guys, create a whole universe for Crypto Bulls. So it's going to be amazing, but give us just some time. We're not going to do that right away. Let's first make things run smoothly, create our ecosystem with this token, try to, find the equilibrium where the supply and the demand are good. Have a good floor price on our NFT on the secondary market, so that you guys are confident that your NFT is not going to be worth less than the floor price, which is going to help to attract new joiners. So I hope you guys are excited just like I am about this project. We are only starting here. Thank you very much for watching, and I'm going to update you whenever I have something new to tell you. I see you on the moon. Cheers.